To this special mathematics class, and this is one of those questions that average students don't even know how to start. We say that x multiplied by y is equal to 1 on the condition that x and y are real numbers and they are greater than 0. The question says find the minimum value of x plus y. All right. Now, when it comes to this kind of problem, there are tips I want you to understand, and let me look at it as conditions. So in this condition, for this problem, remember this is one of those special Olympiad questions. Now, when you see fixed products, like we have x, y to be 1, this product is fixed. And you also asked to find sum, like x plus 1. There is something you need to make use of, and it's one of the special inequality principles. It is called AM to GM. This is called arithmetic mean to geometric mean. And the rule says that if you have average of two real numbers, that, and this is going to be greater or equal to square root of their product. So you see, as very simple as that. So if you know that this is true, we are going to apply this principle. So let's go. So you have x plus y all over 2 is equal to or greater than the product of x, y. But remember, x, y is already given as 1. Now we are asked to find sum. Therefore, I'm going to have x plus y divided by 2 is greater or equal to square root of 1. In place of x plus 1, in place of x, y, I'm going to replace it with 1. Now we keep going. So x plus y is greater or equal to 2 square root of 1. Now remember, square root of 1 is same thing as 1. To have x plus y is greater or equal to 3 times 1. So x plus y is greater or equal to 2. All right. Remember, our job is to find the minimum value. From the question, say we should find the minimum value of x plus y. So if you look at this, x plus y is 2 or greater. That means x plus y are going to be equal to 2, and so on and so forth. You can feel it. But the minimum value is 3. All right. So if you know that this law resonates with you, and is a very special Olympiad maths, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and also like the video and comment, and also share your idea if there is something or any area you think you could have done it better. Don't forget to share the video, subscribe, like, comment. Have a nice time.